of the summer breeze. Modern girl with a soul so clear, saying goodbye to the noise and the fear. Taking the train to where the sky is wide with a peaceful heart and nothing to hide. Stepping off the platform, breathing in the air, sunlight dancing in her messy hair. Walking through the fields of lavender and gold, a story of beauty that's never been told. Her floral patterns blend with the grass. Nature is smiling as she starts to pass. A modern silhouette in a vintage land, touching the earth with her delicate hand. The mountains are calling, the petals are bright. She's the softest vision in the morning light. Oh, bloom in the wind, my floral dress girl, shining like a diamond, a natural pearl. From the city streets to the edge of the sea, or the purest dream that I'll ever see. Modern and bright, yet so soft and true. The ocean is reflecting the spirit of you, running through the flowers where the salt air blows. A beauty that only the wilderness knows. She stands by the shore where the blue meets the sand, holding the world in the palm of her hand. No more skyscrapers, just the infinite blue. A city girl finding a version that's new. Oh, bloom in the wind, my floral dress girl, running through the flowers where the salt air blows. The beauty that only the wilderness knows. Blue sea, green fields in my floral dress, so pure.